To verify your Eldorado.gg account so you can sell items or accounts, open a web browser and visit the official site. Navigate to the account section under Choose Category and click on the Seller Verification button. Select whether you're verifying as an individual or company. Most users will be individuals. Next, fill out your full legal name and address, then proceed to the ID upload step. You'll need to take a clear photo of your government issued ID, passport, license, etc., placed on a blank A4 sheet or with Eldorado.gg visible in the background. After that, take a selfie holding your ID next to your face, ensuring all details are clearly visible. Upload both images, then submit the documents. Verification usually takes up to 48 hours, but most users report faster turnaround. If you don't hear back, contact Eldorado's live support for updates. Final verdict. The process is straightforward and fairly quick. Just follow the instructions carefully and make sure your photos are clear. It's a necessary step to ensure account safety and trust on the official platform. And do your own research.